Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another really quick hair video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a hair hack that I recently discovered when I was doing my hair. So the problem that I was having with the high puffs is that it wouldn't sit up like I wanted it to. Like my high puffs would pretty much sit very floppy and all over the place, and it wouldn't have much height to it. And that's what comes with growth, basically. As your hair gets longer, certain styles are just not going to look how it looked when your hair was a lot shorter. So the solution to that, I was doing my hair the other day and I was like, instead of using this, I'm gonna use this, and boom, I saw a difference in my high puffs. So I just want to share that with y'all really quickly, okay? So stay tuned. So first I'm gonna start off with showing you guys how I normally do my puffs. Normally I'll use this extra long Goody ouchless band. This is how it looks. It's so stretchy that you can literally put it over your head. So I like to place the ouchless band in the back on top of my nape, and then I bring it up to the front of my hair and I put it behind my edges like that. This is not the healthiest way to do a high puff, because this ouchless band right here, it has the tendency to pull back your hair, which can cause thinness, flyaways, split ends, all that bad stuff. So this is why I no longer do this, but I just want to show you guys the differences in puffs. So I pretty much push the ouchless band up from the back and I try to get it as high as I can. So about right here. Because my hair has gotten longer, my high puffs no longer have a structured height to it. So as you guys can see, my hair is just kind of like all over the place. It's floppy. It doesn't sit up in a high puff like it used to when my hair was shorter. So I'm going to show you guys the hair hack. All you got to do is use a scrunchie. So I gather my hair up, and I take my scrunchie and I pull it through, and then I wrap it around my hair one good time, like so. And as you guys can see, I have instant height. All I gotta do is just shake and fluff my puff, and boom, y'all see the difference? Now if you don't like your puffs too tight, you can just pull this scrunchie through one good time without having to wrap it around, and I'm gonna show y'all the difference. So here's a more looser puff, but it still gives you height. So this is the loose puff with the scrunchie. So I hope this helps someone out there. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.